Okay, so welcome back. Sorry about that. So the absolute value of vector 6, negative 2 is the square root of 6 squared plus 2 squared, and times the absolute value of negative 4, 3, which is the square root of negative 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3 times 3, which is 9. So that's 36 plus 4, which is 40, and 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so let's keep going here. So this denominator should be the square root of 40 times the square root of 25. Square root of 40 times the square root of 25. Negative 24 plus 6 is negative 18. 40 times 25 is, I didn't write it down here, 40 times 25 is 1,000. Alright, square root of 1,000. And so since I have the nearest tenth here, I just say negative 18, let's go clear, and let's go negative 18 divided by square root of 1,000. 1, 2, 3, close parentheses. There we go. I get negative 0.5692. And I remember I'm trying to find the cosine of theta equals this. And so I put this in my calculator like this. Cosine, inverse cosine of negative 0.5692 is going to get me my angle. We're going to do that to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to say cosine, inverse cosine of negative 0.5692 equals approximately 124.7 degrees. That's my answer for that. And let me give you a U-try. Follow these directions here. This is the most tricky part here, is the denominator. Just follow what I did here. And I'm going to give you the U-try. The U-try is vector U equals 3, 1. Vector V equals 3, negative 3. So go ahead and do that one, and we'll do it together in a minute. Alright, cosine of theta equals vector U dot vector V. So 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 times negative 3, which is negative 3, over the absolute value of these guys. So it's going to be 3 times 3, that's going to be the square root of 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. And this is going to be multiplied by 3 times 3, which is 9, the square root of, plus negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. Alright, let's keep going here. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. Times square root of 18. So I have 6 over the square root of 180. Put that in my calculator. 6 divided by the square root of 180. I've got cosine of theta equals 0.4472. And I'm going to inverse cosine 0.4472, and I get theta equals approximately 63.5 8.4 degrees. So hopefully that's what you guys got there too. And that is it for 8-3.